Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a quick look here at the brand new 2025 SolAire 3200 TSBH triple slide out travel trailer by Palomino RV, a division of Forestriver here. We're going to start here at the front. We're going to kind of work our way around here. This one was ordered with the very nice tough coat front right here. Kind of reminds you of a rhino liner in a truck bed to really help kind of protect that beautiful fiberglass front cap. It has multiple LED lights built in right there. You do have the power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane bottles. You have the battery area right there for a battery to go on. This one was ordered with power stabilizer jacks. You have front and rear power jacks, enclosed underbelly, pass-through storage area here in the front section. Electric outlet in there, motion lights in there, baggage doors are held up by a magnetic holder. You have a very nice gloss fiberglass here instead of the traditional kind of less expensive doll fiberglass. That fiberglass is also attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of the cheap wood Luan backers. You have a large power awning here with manual override in the front arm head, adjustable arms, heavy duty entry exit step. You're going to have your traditional screen door, large folding entry handle there, the window that is Lippert thin shade ready, aluminum wheels, gas electric water heater. You have an area right here where you can mount a little table and griddle along with a TV out here. You're going to have a decent amount of storage right here as well. You are prepped for the rear camera system, also prepped for the rear ladder system. And it again is a triple slide out unit. This one was ordered with 3 GE air conditioners. You'll notice as we're kind of walking through the inside here. Let's get on up inside and get you to the parts you really want to see here. So in the middle section is kind of your living room, kitchen area. They do have 2 different wood decor colors when ordering. Let's start back here in the back and we'll kind of work our way forward. So over here is going to be one of your slide outs. This top bunk will actually raise up out of the way, so it gives you a little more headroom if you wanted to sit down here and maybe play a game or watch some movies or something. But this will also flip out into a larger bed area as well. Over on this side, you are going to have multiple drawers, TV hookups down there. You got a large bunk up top here. You can see one of your GE air conditioners right there. Windows back here all open. They are deep tent safety glass windows. Metal ladder comes with it. Now this is kind of nice. This gives you this kind of little 4th bunk area. You got electric outlet, USB charger ports back in there too. But a lot of these layouts like this only have 3 bunks back here, so they kind of did theirs a little different. Going on forward here, let's get back out to the living room area, kitchen area. So over here you have a traditional booth dinette, the way this one was ordered. There's storage underneath it here, and it will also go down into bed mode to give you some extra sleeping. You have large windows here, those all open. Roller shades on these windows. You have a very nice theater seat here. Does have little lights built in. There's also little tables that you can put in here as well that kind of just drop into these cup holders and swivel around, so you could sit there and eat if you wanted to. Little storage area, wireless charge pad back there also. And this one, the way it was ordered, has that kind of like woven material, which is a little more rugged than traditional carpet and a little easier to clean up, and doesn't rip as easy as lino. Right here's going to be your bathroom area. You have the porcelain foot flush toilet, little sink area and medicine cabinet area there. You do have a vent up there, AC ducts in your bathroom, which is very nice because you'd be surprised how many brands don't have AC ducts in their bathroom. But you got a skylight up above, step-in shower. Then for your kitchen area, you are going to have the Envision 12-volt refrigerator with the freezer on bottom, refrigerator part on top. You're going to have electric box, the breakers and fuses down there, some full extending drawer guides. You do have some storage underneath of your sink. It is a one large undermount sink right there. Envision microwave, hood range light and fan, and also the Envision propane oven system there. Electric fireplace, which is basically just a really cool fancy space heater. You got a radio up above that. You have your smart TV right there. Shameless plug, playing my All About RVs YouTube channel. If you're interested in keeping up with longer videos, please hop over there and check it out. Also, remember to subscribe, smash that like button, help out the videos and channels. Much, much appreciated. Up here, you are going to have your master bedroom area. So there are some controls right here for your slides, your awning, some lights, water heater buttons and stuff, monitor panels. You are prepped for a Wi-Fi system you can add on aftermarket. There was, again, a middle AC, and then in here you have the third AC, again, the way this one was ordered. Nice headboard. There's USB charger ports up there, a little bit of shelf space up on that headboard as well. Windows in here open. Electric outlet on each side of the bed. Storage underneath of that bed. And this is kind of cool. You got your washer over here. You could do a dryer on this side, but this couple did the washer dryer combo version because they wanted to still keep a little bit of closet space. Overhead cabinet space as well. You can see there's a decent amount of room to scooch by on the side of the bed. This is basically kind of a camper king bed, so it's obviously wider than a traditional 60-inch wide queen bed, but not quite as big as a real house king. Most RV kings are usually around like 70 or 72 inches wide. Got more storage down there, place for a TV over here if you want to do a TV setup. But what do you guys think of this? Just wanted to do a real quick tour on this to kind of get you an idea of this floor plan. If you're really interested, hop over to the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money. Talk with the salespeople there. I almost completely forgot about the roof. I just wanted to hop up here real quick and kind of show you what the roof of your new SolAire might actually look like, depending on how you order it. Again, this one was ordered with 3 GEACs. You got a couple plumbing stack vents, roof vents, skylight right here. There's a TV antenna up there and another plumbing stack vent up there. And this was also ordered with a solar panel, so you can see that up there. But really, my main reason wanting to get up here was just to kind of remind you, there's a lot of stuff on your roof. Make sure you get up here, do your maintenance, take care of your seams and your seals and everything so that you don't end up with a problem with your brand new RV. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my videos. You guys are greatly appreciated. Please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel.